Every spouse in Ontario getting separated or divorced needs to know about this one mistake that, if you miss it, could cost you thousands of dollars and your relationship with your kids, just like it did a client. Hi, my name is Thomas O'Malley. I'm an experienced family lawyer in Durham Region and the GTA. Recently, my new client, Steve, came into my office shaking like a leaf. I asked Steve what was wrong. He said, "Look at this." He gave me a really thick document. I knew immediately it was a separation agreement sent from his ex-spouse. And Steve had actually signed it. But the worst part was that he did not get any advice from an experienced family lawyer before he signed it. After I had a detailed discussion with him about it, I told him that he was paying way too much spousal support to his ex-wife based on his annual income and his former wife's annual income. He also had a really bad deal with only seeing his kids every second weekend, when he could have easily negotiated an agreement in which he had his kids 50% of the time. The big mistake that Steve made was that he needed to get an experienced family lawyer involved much earlier in his separation and divorce. His lawyer would have made sure that he was paying much less spousal support and that he received a fair deal on seeing his kids much more on a regular basis. In fact, you must give some careful thought to these essential reasons why you need to work with an experienced family lawyer as soon as possible in your separation, divorce, or family law case. The most important reason is that getting separated or divorced is a difficult and frustrating process. Most separations and divorces are complicated and frustrating. You have to carefully consider the most important issues in your family law case. This usually involves complex property division, overwhelming child support and spousal support issues, and child custody and access matters. When you pile one legal issue on top of another, the family law process is overwhelming for most spouses getting separated or divorced. This requires the knowledge of a dedicated family law lawyer who will help you understand the family law system in Ontario and show you how to protect your family law rights. More importantly, an experienced family lawyer will provide the attention and representation required to resolve your case through effective negotiation or representation in family court when needed to help you achieve the results you deserve and want. Number 2, you can prevent serious and costly mistakes and delays by hiring an experienced family lawyer. You can easily make some serious and costly mistakes in your separation or divorce when you don't have an experienced lawyer representing you. For example, you can easily make important errors in your financial disclosure. You can forget to put down certain debts, including credit card debts and lines of credit, or make an error in the value of an asset or investment. You can easily forget to list your assets and debts on your date of marriage. The list of errors and mistakes is virtually endless. Such errors and mistakes can easily result in additional financial burdens or legal proceedings, since it is often more expensive and more time-consuming to correct a mistake than it would have been to handle an issue correctly from the start. This is why an experienced family lawyer is such a vital and valuable part of the separation and divorce process. An experienced family lawyer will prepare and file all paperwork to finalize legal proceedings as quickly and smoothly as possible. In short, an experienced family lawyer will ensure that the proper paperwork is prepared for a negotiated separation agreement or going to family court when it is required. If you have any questions about your separation, divorce, or family law case, and you'd like our help, feel free to contact me on my Facebook Law Office page, that's O'Malley Family Law, or call me at 905-434-8837, and I'll point you in the right direction. Please make sure to share this important information with your friends, family members, and coworkers.